This is Dylan Sebastian recording from the new Waterworks in Springville, Alabama for their grand opening today.
We're going to do the $20 that works. So if you look, they have the works for $20, deluxe 16 plus 12, and classic 8. And here's a gentleman up here going to help us. Make sure you don't put your finger in front of the camera, okay?
How's it going?
Doing good?
Good. How much we get today?
The $20.
$20, alrighty. We also got a monthly pass if you're interested in that.
What's that?
That'd be $40 instead of $20. And you come through as many times as you want in a month.
I'll have to talk to the wife about that.
Alright, smart man.
If you have a coupon, watch ticket, or prepaid card, scan it on the barcode reader.
There you are.
Thank you.
Please take your receipt.
Alright.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
Okay, we paid and we'll be going forward in a second.
Thank you for your business. We look forward to seeing you again soon.
There we go. We're next. So you see them up there, they're actually scrubbing the cars. So this is a brand new place, huh?
Yeah.
And they got all the different devices. There's the machine. Waiting for the gate. There's something right in front of us. So there you go.
And there's Burger King over here. And that's where we just came from.
Okay, the gate's up. We're going forward. Want it off?
Yes.
It's off. Yeah, I already know it's broken.
We got point out for our cameras.
Okay. There's some side pieces missing too.
I got you.
It's a junk truck, so. Okay, he's doing the windows.
Listen to dryers.
Yeah. Here we go. You excited?
Yes.
Turn the camera this way. See the guys in their office?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead. Point it forward. Here we go. Brand new place. There we go.
Ooh.
tell it used a lot of soap suds.
Yes.
Mirror pop back up.
Blue brushes.
Those brushes are hitting hard. There's the ones on the front window. Looks like it does good.
There's dryers up there.
It says it's a triple foam. They have like flashy lights making different colors. After we get out, we'll give a rating on how well it cleaned the vehicle.
More brushes.
Oh, good air. Look at that. It's blowing it all off. Man, that's so windy, it's moving the vehicle. Oh, look. I have it to where it
Another
like
brush.
comes down to touch the vehicle or the window.
Yes.
Look at it, Mike, like fiber cloth touching the window. Look how nice the window looks. That was actually pretty neat.
Yes.
It's going across the whole vehicle. And there's the light ahead telling us to go. It says to go, so we'll go. And then we'll go park. So now we're going to go to the vacuums.
Yes.
We'll go to the far end. Actually, it looked like it did a pretty decent job from what I can see in here. The windows look good.
Yes.
Very, very impressed so far.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go up here. And then we'll clean up a little bit.
Yes.
You want to see the vacuums in action, and then you can tell everybody
Yes.
goodbye. Okay.
See y'all.
What, you gonna record the vacuums?
It only lets you record at 15 minutes for YouTube.
Well, you're only at 7 minutes. I'll come back here and you can say, I'll show them the vacuums real quick. They got very nice looking vacuums. They got mat holders here so you can actually vacuum off your mat. They got the two different. Now, vehicle looks pretty good. It looks very clean. A little bit of soap residue left, but it's expected on Yukons. So, okay. Well, what do you want to say, Dylan?
Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.